In this brief video, I'm going to show you how to customize your header and how to pick a theme for your Google site. So once you've made a copy of the template, your site will look something like this. It'll be really basic. Now this menu over on the right where it says Insert, Pages, and Themes, this is where you're going to want to do some personalization. If you click Themes first, you will see that Google gives you some options. We are default in the simple theme. We could also choose Aristotle, Diplomat, Vision, Level, Impression. Personally, I like Vision. I don't know why. That's the one I usually click, but you can click around and see what happens when you select a different template. So when I clicked Vision, the font changed, some of the colors changed, but you can go in and edit all of that. If I wanted Diplomat, here it is. So you can just kind of go around and pick the one that you think is most interesting, and you can always change it later, and it's not really that big of a deal. So I'm going to go with Vision because that's the one I typically like. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is put my name at the top. And now it's my website. But this background, which is like maybe an outdoor picnic bench with a pine cone, that is not me. So I want to change my header. I can change my header type. I can also change the picture. So if you click header type, there are these different options. This one makes a bigger picture. So if you have a picture that you really like, you can pick that. There's also one that's title only, so you don't even have a picture. There's a small picture and a large picture. So you can play around and see what you like. And then to change the image, it's really easy. The menu's right there. So change image. You can upload an image. So if you have a picture, like maybe you went somewhere cool on vacation, or you have a picture of some kind of project or something related to your content, you can upload it. You can also select an image from Google, from their gallery, any of those normal ways. If you use Google Photos, which I use a lot because it's just easy, everything's there, you can go to your Google Photo albums. And then I have pictures of like some projects and different things students have done. And I could pick one of those and use it as my background for my header. This is a Bitmoji I made last year. I'm just going to click that. Some other teachers' Bitmojis. Let's see if I can select that. I just click it, and then that will be my header. Now that looks awful. I think I can drag it around a little bit. No. So I don't like that. I might want to maybe make it the cover. Nope, that also looks awful. So a lot of this is just trial and error, like clicking around and making it look okay. Like that's okay, but I don't like it. But there's my header for now. So that's how I put in a header. And now all of a sudden my website is starting to look more like me. You may also notice that right now the default color is blue. I can pick any of these colors, or this is the really cool thing. If you click on the paint bucket, you can pick any color code you like. In the resources folder I gave you on the document called Make Your Portfolio Visually Appealing, I put links to a couple of websites where you can go get color codes, like a color scheme. So you can explore some of these websites and get color codes. And so you could pick a color that, like your personal favorite color, just by exploring one of these websites. So that is a quick and easy explanation of how to pick a theme, how to create a header, and how to pick a color scheme. Real fast, I'm just going to explore trending palettes. Once it loads, I'm just going to pick a color that I like okay, maybe I like this color. I've copied the code by clicking on it. And then to make that my background color, I would just paste the code. And so now I have that pink color. And so I have personalized my portfolio.